Hi friends, so in this video we are going to talk about finding out what is the percent. So this time they're not going to tell us the percent, we want to discover what the percent is. So let's take a look at this first example. 4 out of 5 students wish they could have gym class all school year. What percent of students do want to have gym class all school year? So it's 4 out of 5 students. So what we're going to do is we're going to say we should write this as a relationship that as a fraction. So what part of the students want gym class out of how many total students? How many did we survey? So it says 4 out of 5 students. So 4 is how many, or the part of students that said, yes, I want gym all year. And how many students did they survey out of 5? So 4 out of 5. So our first step is to write that relationship as a fraction. So that's our step 1. Next, change that fraction to a decimal. Remember that a fraction is division. So this is 4 divided by 5 in my calculator. So if I choose to bring up my calculator, 4 divided by 5 equals. So that gives me 8/10. Okay, now we're not there yet. We really want to get to a percent. So this last step, I've got a little star here. I just want to tell you why, but we're going to multiply by 100. Remember, percent is comparing things to 100. And on a previous video, when we were taking a percent to decimal, we divided by 100. Now we're going in the backwards direction. So we're multiplying by 100 to get it back to a percent or per 100. So last step is 0.8 times 100. And that is going to give us 80. So this now can be written as a percent. So we would say our final answer is 80%. Okay, so 80% of the kids would like to have gym class all year. Okay, so that's one example. Let's take a look at another example. It says $3 is what percent of $4? So $3 is what percent of $4? So maybe you spent $3 out of the 4 you had. What percent did you spend? So first step, write the relationship as a fraction. So what part did we spend? $3. Out of how many did we have total? 4. So that's step 1. Change the fraction to a decimal. So that means we're going to divide. So 3 divided by 4, right? 3 divided by 4. That fraction looks like division. So if I use my calculator, 3 divided by 4. So that gives me 75 hundredths. Last step, multiply by 100. This is taking us back to a percent. So 75 hundredths times 100. So if you want me to show you on the calculator, 0.75 times 100 is 75. So this is now a percent. So 75% of your money was spent. Okay, so that's how we're taking it to a percent. All right, let's look at another example. When you get to IXL, you're going to see it written in a few different ways. Don't freak out. Same steps. 18 is what percent of 24? Well, 18 is the part we're talking about out of 24. So write this as a fraction relationship. 18 parts out of 24 total. Then we're going to divide. So it says 18 divided by 24. That one again is 75 hundredths. Last step, take 75 hundredths, multiply by 100. That gets us to a percent per 100. And that's going to be 75%. So I will put in here, and it says write your answer using a percent sign. So I'm going to type in the 7, the 5, and the percent symbol is on your probably key number 5. So don't forget to press shift so that you have a percent sign, and then you can click submit. All right, let's try one more. So this one says a box percent. So it's asking you, question mark, what percent of 88 equals 22? So the 22 is the part that we don't know the percent out of 88. So I'm going to divide 22, divided by 88. 0.25, and last step, multiply that by 100. That gives us 25. So it's 25%. Don't forget to write the symbol. All right. I had one more, but it's your turn. Let's go to S